Hey guys, I'm Veronica. I'm the head stylist here at DailyLook.
And I'm Martha. I'm a stylist here at DailyLook as well.
Don't put away those sexy summer dresses because we're going to show you how to transition your summer pieces into fall.
So today we're showing you a bunch of transitional pieces that will move your wardrobe from end of summer to early fall. Lots of layers, prints. We got a lot of fun colors.
Absolutely. Speaking of prints, we have these wonderful plaid pants that have a little bit of houndstooth in them. I'm obsessed with these.
They're great.
Where to
They're
work?
also made of like this really awesome ponte knit, so you get stretch and structure, which is a great fit for work or play.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So during the summer, you like to pair it with your cami. You can leave it untucked or tuck it in. For fall,
switch it out.
Switch it out for this moody top.
Yeah.
I love this thing.
I love this top. I think it's great because it has a sheer sleeve and a lined bodice, so you don't have to add the jacket layer, which is really easy in the morning because we're all in a rush.
Absolutely.
You know?
And we also thought this off-the-shoulder maroon top would be really cute.
Very cute. It's good to take your work pant into the evening if you're going to happy hour or date night after the office.
Absolutely. An open-toed sandal, leather jacket thrown over the shoulders.
Definitely.
Really great combo.
And I know off-shoulder's been around for a while, but it's very flattering on all body types and figures. It's
really
a really
is.
great staple. Like, it's here to stay, and just embrace it. It's
all
fun.
right. So the next one, it's a little bit controversial, but white.
Oh, yes, the white pants.
On white with the white blazer.
Don't be afraid of white for fall, though. Like, the Labor Day rule does not exist anymore. It's just, it's not even a thing.
That's old school.
Yeah. White
Try
is
it.
so chic.
It's very chic, and I just love layering all these pieces together. Thank you.
Yeah.
I just want to show them what it looks like when you tuck this top underneath the blazer.
Yeah.
And we chose a distressed denim to like not make it too stuffy.
Yeah, it's nice and fresh, and I think for fall, just having like a crisp, clean, put together look is the way to do white. You don't want to wear like very like flirty dresses or anything. You want to give it that structured vibe and just feel like you're layering and like you're ready for fall. Yeah.
And this jacket definitely does that. And this jacket has
It
a
does.
great detail because it cinches in at the waist, and this line just
Very flattering, very
makes your
flattering.
curves look real good.
White is also great with camel sweaters, chunky knit sweaters. I think we have a couple other tops to show with it, but it's just an awesome staple. Like, definitely don't put your white pants away for fall.
No, and I think as you move into fall,
I love this.
Yes, our fall florals are going to be huge. So we're taking our florals and giving them a more muted tone, I would say. And this gold color is going to carry through fall.
Definitely.
Absolutely. It looks great on everybody. This
I
top
like
is great.
the button front sleeve and like the peplum bottom. It gives it a fun touch and dresses it up so that you don't really have to accessorize much. Just slip into booties. Yeah, it looks fabulous.
Yeah. I was like, wait, I really want to wear this.
You could even add a fedora hat. Just keep your accessories simple. Yeah.
Absolutely.
That's one of my favorite looks, I think.
Oh, and we had this sweater to put back with the white jeans too.
This
for fall.
is so cozy and soft. I just want to put it on and live in it.
The dolman sleeve's really cute. It's flattering on all different kinds of body shapes.
It's very flattering.
And this color's great too.
Yeah. I love that combination of like the light beige and the white. I think it's classic and timeless, and it can carry you from fall to winter also. So two great staple pieces.
All
Yes.
right.
And if you want to add something to mix it up, you can always throw a vest on, and as it gets colder, do a fur vest and like be a little bit extra.
Cute. I love that.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, and then we had our pencil skirt.
Yes, we just brought this in the longer length, and I love it because it's easy to wear, it's comfortable, you don't have to worry about pulling your skirt down.
And we also thought this would look great with this tucked into it.
Yeah, you could add a belt.
Yeah. Add a belt. And then if you wanted to take it from desk to dinner, throw the moto jacket with it.
Yep. It's a fabulous piece. Yeah, I love that one. It's great to layer with. You can mix and match it with different tops and chunky knit sweaters.
Yeah.
I think the key to balancing a fitted skirt is to do something kind of oversized on top, so you're not
masculine sometimes too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like the 80s, like the blazer with
little bit of
the
a shoulder
cut. Yeah, then you get the perfect proportions in your outfit.
I love that look.
Definitely.
All right, we have our jumpsuit now. I think this color is so good, and it's going to be great for holiday too.
Totally, yeah, that's a great point.
Yeah, and I thought if you wanted to wear a jumpsuit to work, if you were, feeling daring, go ahead and layer this piece underneath.
I love this layering idea. I think it's great to just get more use out of your jumpsuit Because I know for me, sometimes I get a little bit stuck on like, what am I gonna wear this jumpsuit with? If I've already worn it, take my Instagram picture and post it. But this is a really good idea to mix it up and just add a new, fun, fresh twist to your wardrobe.
And also cover up the sheerness.
That
We've
is
covered
so
this
cute.
before, and I think that it just, unbuttons 2 buttons.
It's super cute, and just add like a little tan booty, and
Ooh,
I like it.
yeah.
Kind of like an anthro.
I love this look.
It's really cute. And the jumpsuit's made of a stretch knit, so it's comfortable. You can wear it from day to night, and it'll just hit you in all the right spots. It's really a great piece.
Of course, the moto jacket, bringing it back to this classic piece. I love the gold hardware. I think you can carry this through to holiday, obviously. It's just such a good piece.
Totally.
And it's
great.
a really flattering cut, and it's not too heavy.
Yes, it's very lightweight, which is great, especially like here in Southern California. You can layer with it right now. And you can also put it with a sweater as the weather cools down.
Yeah. And I'm going to bring back out the pencil skirt, which we thought would look great with this amazing baseball jacket.
I love this color. It's so pretty. So here we're just dressing up like a simple white t-shirt, black skirt combo with a really easy jacket. It's really comfortable. I love the pop of color, and just slip into a sneaker and you're all set to go.
I love this outfit too. And I think this jacket's going to be really versatile, and you can wear it in a myriad of ways.
Definitely. The bomber's been around for a while now. It's a great staple.
Want to move into our fall florals?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yep.
Take that for you.
Okay, so starting out with a transitional dress in this really, really cute printed black and white floral. We love this piece. I love that it's fitted in the bodice and has the flared hem.
Just the right length. I'm 5'10", and it fits me like a dream.
It would be perfect on
this with over-the-knee boots looks so cute. Also, if you layered a collared shirt underneath it to take it to the office if you wanted to, or just add another layer for warmth.
Totally.
I love this dress.
You could even do that white one that we pulled out earlier and mix fabrications and do a texture and then a print. That would be so cute.
That would be really cute as well. And I like the pop of pattern in both of them. Definitely. And I like the mini florals. I think the mini florals are really great because it doesn't feel too summery.
It's really sweet. And then with your high boot and then dress combo, you could also add a jacket, and it'll create like that waistline for you and just make a really flattering outfit.
Super cute. Yes.
Great. Moving on to a flirty little top. This one's so great to take you from desk to dinner. So this is obviously like kind of a summery floral, right, with the blue, but we like to dress it down with a dark tone like the black jean. And then you kind of have that fall vibe. You just need to add a mule style booty, maybe a couple necklaces, and you're set.
I like to call it like pretty tough.
Yeah,
I think it's pretty floral, making it a little bit edgier.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
I love edging.
The sleeves are great.
They are. They're so fun. I love the ruffle on the.
And this is really flattering on a lot of people. And I think if you tuck this in and make it a little bit bloussante, it'll also look great.
Yeah, because a lot of our tops have like kind of a wider bottom, but it's really easy to give them that fitted silhouette. You just do a half tuck, like so.
Yeah.
And so, and then you have a fitted blouse. So it just takes like a second, and then you have exactly what you needed.
That one back. Okay.
Sorry.
Oh, there you go.
Okay, another flirty floral. This one's great with the dark floral.
Love this dark floral.
And it has a couple like sexy little cutouts here, so this is the perfect top to go from work to dinner.
Also, we can pair this back again with the black jean and the moto jacket.
Yep. That's a great business casual look if you work in an office, and it's really easy to just take you to the evening. You just have to take your jacket off, show some skin. You're good to go.
And a big earring.
Yes.
Just throw that big earring on.
To add a statement touch. You could also go more casual with this denim jacket. We opted for the dark wash because it has more of a fall feel.
Yeah.
But that denim jacket has great stretch to it. I love it. It's so comfortable.
And this is J-brand too.
Yeah.
It's a great brand.
It has the perfect fit, honestly. It's crops and
might need this one too.
It kind of matches your outfit.
You're like, wait a minute.
Oh, let's not forget about this.
Let's talk about this skirt. I love this skirt. The detailing is so cute. The buttons down the front, the D-ring, cinch it at the waist. Wear this tucked in.
So a little bit something like this.
A closed-toed espadrille to close out summer, I think would be really sweet.
Yeah, maybe
I think you could still work your basket bag. I don't feel like we should put them away just yet.
No, those are way too cute to
so
put away.
Cute, and I feel like we've all invested in a lot of
basket
bags over the summer. We gotta get some legs on them.
Yeah, the button front is totally trending though, like through summer and into fall. Keep it around. I love that this is the longer length too.
Yeah, and I like that it's A-line, and A-line is super flattering on every type of body.
Definitely. It's fun to show off your shoes too, because it's like between the mini and the and the maxi covers your shoes, so that's like a great
And if you wanted
combo.
to do like a 70s vibe, I think again boots.
Totally, I
like
love boots.
If you really wanted to push the envelope, I think some boots under there, like a white
do
button
like a tall
down,
one.
and do like a Diane Keaton moment.
Yes.
I feel like Annie Hall all the way.
A long coat over top, that would be so
Cute.
good.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Moving
I
on
love that skirt.
to another one of my favorite pieces.
Yeah. This is this really, really soft sweater from Velvet by Graham and Spencer. It's so cozy and chic and timeless. We had the idea to layer this little leopard top underneath so you get like some print action, and then we're gonna balance the outfit out with a mini skirt. Well, midi skirt.
Midi skirt, yeah. So this would be your wear to work look with this sweater.
Yeah. So it's a good balance because if you just kind of pair like this with this, it might have more of like a straight cut, but when you add the sweater over top, you get that balanced oversize on the top and then the fitted on the bottom.
Yeah, and I think just the peak of the pattern on the collar.
Yes.
And by the way, leopard is going to be huge.
It's like
huge. It's
this
already
season.
here. It's happening.
Yeah. I love it because it's like a neutral print. It's been around forever, and you just mix and match it.
And just experiment. Don't be scared to try it with stripes or plaids or whatever else.
And it looks really good with pops of color too. You can do it like neon pink, red, green. It's great.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So on that note, we have more leopard with this really super cute skirt. I'm obsessed with this, the curved hem because it flaunts your legs. And
Absolutely. And it moves when you walk.
Yeah, the ruffle too is great for that. So we are going to half tuck this top in. Again, just give that blousey top the fitted silhouette with a simple tuck in the blink of an eye. And then I would add a knee-high boot like you've been mentioning.
Yeah, I think that would really carry it into fall.
Yeah, definitely.
And it adds more coverage, so it just...
Totally, that's a great point.
Yeah.
Also, for me, I like to wear like sneakers a lot, so I think Vans would be
really
cute, or white Converse.
Yeah, some slip-ons rather, not
yes.
slides.
Those are the best, actually. I do have those. They're amazing. And then another way to style this skirt would be with our favorite chunky knit sweater. This is just like a lot of texture and play, which is really fun.
And it's an oversized sweater, so it looked great, just like with the peak of the skirt. I styled this out earlier this week, and we put it with combat boots, and it looked really cute. Like very like city chic, on the go. A little bit of a younger look, but I still think that it transcends. I love this look too.
Me too. And it almost makes the skirt look like it's a dress.
Yeah.
Because it just peeks out the bottom.
It's really cute.
Yeah. Definitely embrace that oversized sweater. Like, that's key for fall.
Yeah.
Especially...
And this one you can wear off the shoulder a little bit if you like. So if you have a cute cami on with a little bit of lace peeking out.
Very cute.
This is your go-to.
It's good for mild weather, too. And it's, like, the weird in-between. Yeah.
Or if you work in a freezing cold office.
That, too. And a lot of people do.
Yes.
Sweaters, like chunky knits like this, are also great with shorts when it's kind of cool outside, and then I don't know, that's one of my favorite looks.
I like that look too.
Yeah.
Yay!
This gorgeous dress. Back to kind of these warm, coppery rust tones. They're perfect for the season.
Absolutely.
Yeah. They complement your end of summer tan like beautifully. So to move this from summer to fall, we're gonna layer it with a couple jackets. So our favorite is this green one right now. This is kind of like that casual weekend on the go look.
Yes, and like I keep saying, treat army green or olive green as a neutral. This color goes with pretty much anything. It's like a leopard.
Yeah, exactly.
It's perfect.
Yeah, olive goes with seriously everything. Like this is orange and olive, and they look great together.
Yeah, and I think, if it's still a little bit too warm, if you take this off, tie it around your waist to accentuate your curves, still a great look.
Totally.
We also talked about, we don't have a t-shirt here, but it would be really cute to layer a t-shirt under this look. Or on top, tie a little knot in your t-shirt so it looks like a little skirt.
You could do like a graphic tee, because then it kind of distracts and makes the perfect outfit. Yeah. And you could still tie this at your waist, so then when it gets cold at night, you're set, you're warm, and you're all good to go.
Absolutely.
Yeah. I love a good slip dress right now.
It's just so easy.
Yeah,
it's
so
like thoughtless at the end of the day. You're just like, throw it on.
It's
comfortable. Go, we're good.
Yeah. Those were our favorite fall looks right now. So if you guys loved what you saw today and you want to sign up for Daily Look, it's super easy. Just go to our website, dailylook.com, and sign up. From there, you'll fill out a profile, and this is where we really love to see you guys bulk it up. So you can add your social media, your Pinterest, your Instagram, Facebook, whatever you use the most. And this is really awesome for us to just see what your day-to-day looks like, whether you're working out, going to the office, running around with your kids. Like, we just want to know what you really need clothes for and, like,
because
how to dress you.
The more information that they give us, the better you are at styling them.
Yeah, totally. And we want everyone to look and feel their best in the cutest clothes.
Absolutely.
So from there, you'll receive a box after we style it, and you get 7 to 12 pieces, and this is where the fun part comes in. You'll get the box at home and just kind of have fun trying everything on.
In the comfort of your own home.
Yes,
very important.
Key. Yeah. So that makes it a lot more fun. You can, like, show your best friend, your husband, your kids, whatever. And if you have any questions on how to style something, you can always reach out and email your stylist. And we're more than happy to help. This is kind of like the really fun part of my job, is to get to know what my client wants and how she's going to style it. And I can, like, give tips and send you, like, ideas of what shoe to wear and everything else. And then from there, you'll just decide on what you love and hang on to that stuff. And then you send back your returns. And it's really easy. And then we'll just get to know each other, and you get more and more boxes, and it's a really fun process.
And the great part is, the more and more boxes you get, you're really good at keeping track of what you've sent out to each client, and she can style new stuff in your new box that goes with your older stuff.
Yeah, definitely.
It just keeps working for you.
Definitely. I like to include a piece that, so I'll kind of mention a client, like, hey, I know you kept this really cute gray top a couple months back. Let's style that with these jeans and this updated jacket for a fresh fall look.
Yeah. Well, we hope you guys enjoyed this transitional video, and we look forward to seeing you next time for Facebook Live.
Thanks for tuning in. Bye, guys.
Bye.